Hi, I'm Dr. Huang. I'm a physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. I specialize in pelvic rehabilitation and lymphatic drainage. The previous video, we talked about the lymphatic system and lymphatic drainage. So I'm just going to jump right into dry brushing of the arms. So you can use a dry washcloth or a bristle brush for your arms. I'm going to show you with a bristle brush. Again, we're going to open all your watersheds and pathways first before we start to go into your arms. Watersheds of your collarbone. You're going to brush 15 to 20 times. And then we're going to go to the back of your shoulder blade. If this is hard for you, you can also get one with the stick. It's easier for you to get to the back side.
Natural bristle brush, it is from Vega.
We're going to do both sides. Cover these areas. And then you're going to gently tap at your armpit. Again, 15 to 20 times. And you can tap all the way down to your rib cage and your trunk. Or you can actually just brush up and down of your rib cage and your trunk. Once all these are opened and stimulate, we're going to go to your deltoid right here. So you're going to cover the front, the side, and the back. 15 to 20 times each area. And then we're going to go to, we call heart of watersheds, right at the elbow. You're going to brush that heart of watersheds, open that up before you start brushing everything upwards. Now we're going to brush all the way up towards your shoulder and towards your armpit. And then the back of the elbow also has a heart of watersheds. So we want to open that one up first. 15 to 20 strokes. And then you're going to go all the way to your shoulder and your armpits. When you're done with your upper arm, we're going to go to your wrist and your hand. There's an important part of the heart of watersheds. Again, you want to open that up first. And then you're going to brush your forearm all the way to the elbow. Cover the entire forearms. Again, each area 15 to 20 strokes. And then the back side of your hand and brush all the way down. You can definitely cover your fingers after that. And then we're going to return back towards the heart. And you're going to end with your collarbone and your shoulder blade again. Hopefully you have given the try and enjoy the dry brushing. Remember, this is a technique that can take time to work and often need to be done daily. Check with your healthcare professional to see if lymphatic drainage or dry brushing is right for you. We love to hear your feedback and comments below. Let us know what you think of this technique. Hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more of these kind of videos. I'm Dr. Huang, and thanks for watching.